Myself, Iti Oja, Research Scholar, Department of Home Science, University of Allahabad, Prayagraj. My supervisor's name is Professor Sangeeta Shrivastava, Vice Chancellor, University of Allahabad, Prayagraj. Former Vice Chancellor, Professor Rajendra Singh Raju Bhaiya University, Prayagraj. Former Head, Department of Home Science, University of Allahabad, Prayagraj. I am here to present my review paper on mythological abstract designing through CAD and their application on different kind of fabrics. In this paper, we will discuss on some keywords that are mythology, art, folk art, CAD, and etc. So, first of all, what is art? Art, the way of doing any work. There are several types of art such as tribal art, folk art, traditional art, etc. So the next keyword is folk art. Folk art, which is known as Lok Kala, genre of art of unknown origin that reflects traditional values of a society. इन लोक कलाओं के उद्गम के बारे में पर्याप्त जानकारी नहीं होती है, परंतु ये उस समाज के दर्पण होते हैं जहाँ ये प्रसिद्ध होती हैं. So the next keyword will be traditional art. Actually, that is a part of the culture of a group of people, skills and knowledge of which are passed down through generations from master artisans to learner artisans. So this is a basic difference between folk and traditional art. Folk arts have unknown origin, but traditional art have a particular place of origin. So there are some traditional arts such as mandana art, pattachitra, pithoro painting, so on. So mandana art, the art of Rajasthan, and pattachitra art, it's a folk painting of Odisha. Paintings are based on Subhadra, Balram, Lord Jagannath and the scenes related to the life of Lord Krishna. Pithoro painting, it is the folk painting of Bhilalas, tribes of Gujarat. Kalamkari paintings, it is very popular in Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It is a type of hand-painted or block-printed cotton textiles. Next is Kalighat art. It's a folk painting of West Bengal. In this art form, various Hindu gods and other mythological characters are drawn. Next is Varli art. It is famous in Maharashtra. It is made by the local tribes of the Varli. It depicts social and cultural life of these groups. Next is Madhubani painting. It is the folk painting of Bihar, Madhubani district. In this style of folk painting, the scenes of Ramayana and the images of Hindu goddess are depicted on the canvas. The important point about Madhubani painting is Mahasundari Devi is the famous artist of Madhubani painting. In our speaking practices, the terms traditional art, folk art and crafts looks like same meaning. Traditional and folk art was discussed before. Now the term is craft. Craft is an activity involving skill in making things by hand. So what will be the questions related from craft? That what is craft in simple words? A craft is an activity such as weaving, carving or pottery that involves making things skillfully by hand, often in a traditional way. Sometimes some people think craft is an art, but both are different. Art is described as an unstructured and open-ended form of work that expresses emotions, feelings, and visions. Crafts denotes a form of work involving the creation of physical objects by the use of hands and brain. Art realizes on artistic merit, whereas craft is based on learned skills and techniques. Now I switch myself towards CAD, computer aided designing. With this designing process is much improved. Firstly, we have to know about why it is important in today's competitive scenario. So we have to know about some key points about traditional methods and technological methods of designing. Traditionally, designing was done by floor designing, wall designing, and paper designing. In floor designing, traditionally it was done by females, and they used the rice floor to decorate the floors. In the wall designing, firstly they plastered the walls with the help of cow dung paste, and then they decorated the walls with rice flour powder paste, which we known as chalk. In paper designing, we have done the designing process in the sheet of a paper with the help of pencil, erasers, watercolors, oil color, pastel colors, etc. So after some times, the traditional designers feel some limitations limitations because such as color options, limited color schemes, and limited color combinations, etc. So our software engineers developed a designing software named CAD to obstacle these types of limitations. It is required because traditional designers feel sometimes it tedious and time consuming and limited designing options, whereas CAD have numerous options, numerous color schemes, numerous color combinations such as Pantone color scheme, CMYK color scheme, CMYZK color scheme, so on. And it takes less time to decorate any to design any pattern, to design any motifs, and so on. So traditional method and technological method of designing both are interdependent each other. Thank you.